How to use Newegg promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Newegg promo code. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. First up, I'm gonna show you how can you get Newegg promo code. Once you're in this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $200 off, 60% off, and many more. Here towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code, then click on redeem at Newegg. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account. Browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over your paste the copied code and then proceed to checkout. And then confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount. So this way you can easily use Newegg promo codes. By applying the same process, you can use other offers as well. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.